So, Kayla's car is leaking, and it's leaking through the little bleed screw. And it's not coming out from around it, it's coming out through like the middle of it. Hey guys, so we're gonna take the cap off here. And I just filled it up a second ago with some water, so I know there should be something left in it. There's a little bit, but it should be up here, not down there. Internet says that this could be clogged, or that could be bad, or head gasket, or all kinds of things. We won't really know until we dig in a little more, so that's what we're going to start doing. Hey guys, congratulations, we found the problem. The screw is stripped off. So now the problem is that's stuck down in there. But since it's plastic, that's not that bad. Hey guys, so my solution here, when you've got a plastic screw that's stuck, is to find something that's smaller than the inside diameter with lots of grip, like a star point. And then we're going to blowtorch it till it's good and hot, and we're just going to stick it in there, wait for it to cool, and we have a screw made. Now I just got to not wiggle a whole lot to strip it out. Now we'll let that finish cooling. Once it cools a bit, we'll see if we can turn it out. Hey guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this is going to work. Let's see here. Ta-da guys, and that, focus for me. Oh, you see it, there it is. Hey guys, and that's how to remove a broken piece of plastic that's got threads, although now it doesn't want to come off my screwdriver. And as you can imagine, I just grabbed that screwdriver and it's still real hot. We got this out. I'm gonna see if I can go find a bolt or something that'll fit in. It's metric, so probably not gonna find anything at my pap's shop where I have all the bolts and stuff. But there's a chance, if we can find something that'll fit in, we'll be able to at least see if that's gonna fix the problem or not. Alright guys, so we sent our buggy out the other day with our camper. My car we don't have a key to, and the Rally Fighter is broken. I've sold 4 bikes in the last couple weeks, so I don't have any of them, so that means my old high school sweetheart here is coming out to play. I don't think you guys have seen her yet. I call her Ruka, it's my outlaw. She has a little bit of work done to her, so it's fun to ride. Problem being at the moment she has no battery, so we're gonna have to jump her. Alright guys, so me and my pap we made a bolt. It's about the right threads. Cut it down so it should fit, put the O-ring on it, and now we're gonna try it out. Yep. Well, it's just a hair bigger than the last one was, but that's kind of what we wanted. Going in sideways. I don't know how the hell to make this thing go in straight.
Oh shit. Michael looks like it's straight.
It does that time. Okay. One more is all I got.
Well, where are they going to?
Underneath into the skid plate.
Here.
Here's my last flathead. Just needed a little bit of electric love.
Tighten it out.
I'm going for it.
You still didn't bleed it.
Okay guys, well, looks like our little bolt worked. Seemed to have got it to quit, so if you guys ever have the same problem where it's spouting out steam and water out of that little screw, just make you another one or order one, either way, but we didn't really want to wait around. So, yeah.